Hello, Corey. Welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya, and today I want to share with you some insights that can help you increase the traffic to your website and attract more customers. So let's start with your homepage. I can see that you have the to call button over here. You have links to your social media accounts, the email address over here as well, and you actually have quite a big site with all of the different products that you provide. So decks, patios, verandas, fire pits, pergolas. You have the contact us section here and this nice picture, the links to the different services that you have. Um, and then the testimonials and reviews, why to work with you, these patios, which well done over there, and then the footer. So there are a few things that you could do. For example, just the footer, you could have the directory of the site so that people do not have to go up if they want to explore something else. You could have the contact details, the location details. You could here add a little bit of more like a description of the services that you provide. And then you could have, instead of having this button over here, just have the contact us form. Just make it very easy for people to reach out to you. In terms of the amount of content, right now you have 2,143 words. And to be optimized for Google, you want to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words. So well done there because you have the amount of content required. Now it's just a matter of making sure that that content has the relevant buyer intent keywords. So let's have a look at two of your competitors, how Houston Deck and Shade. See how they have the contact us form at the top. These guys have 540 words, and they are still managing to rank at the top for one of the keywords. And then you have all text home improvement services. These guys, this is a landing page for deck building contractors. These guys have 2,048 words on this particular landing page. So yeah, just a matter of actually reviewing that content and making sure that it is sprinkled with buyer intent keywords. Now I came here to the Google search and I type in Deck Builder Houston. The first section that we usually see is the Google Ads, which are really good at driving traffic and generating leads immediately. Then you have the Google Maps, and this section drives between 30 to 40% of the traffic. And to rank here, you need optimized and geotag pictures, you need reviews, and you need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages and Yelp. Those are citations. The name, address, and phone number in those citations need to match those in your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details, and then it will start ranking you at the top. And then you have the Google Organic Search. So to rank at the top of the Google Organic Search, you first need a website that is correctly built, that is safe, that is responsive, and then you need something that we call backlinks. So to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs. And in this tool, I can see that there are 52 external websites directing traffic to your website through 280 links. And that's exactly what a backlink is. Houston Deck and Shade, there are 41 external websites directing traffic towards their website through 96 links. And if I have a look at all text, these guys, well, this is the landing page, so there's no data for the backlink profile. So looks like there are no specific backlinks for that particular landing page, not for the domain, but for the landing page. Now let me go back to your backlink profile. It's important to have a look at that backlink profile just to make sure that you not only have more backlinks, but you have quality backlinks. And those are the ones that are sitting on websites that are related to the services and industry that you operate in, because then Google has mechanisms to verify this and will give you extra points and extra credit for this. Now, the other section that I wanted to show you is the organic keywords. So you are being found for 253 organic keywords. And in this view, I can see what those keywords are. I actually searched for Houston, but the volume is the number of times those keywords are searched for per month. And the position is in which position your website is appearing for that particular keyword. So anything beyond the 12, 13 position means that you're already on the second page of Google. So it's going to be really hard to attract any traffic. So you can see here that you are ranking on the first position, well, top positions for the brand of your company, which makes absolutely sense. Then we have Fire Pits Houston, you're on position 10. Patio Builders Houston, you're on position 13. Fire Pit Houston, the search volume is 70. Decks Houston, the search volume is 200. You're in position 16. So that's quite a lot of traffic that you are actually leaving on the table. If we have a look at Houston, Deck, and Shade, these guys are being found for 142 organic keywords. And in here, I can see that, for example, because they're on the first position for Decks Houston, and out of 200, they are getting 71 visits. And this is an estimate, but 71 visits to their website. Deck Builders Houston, the search volume is 150 because they're on the fourth position. They are getting 12 visits. And this is the great difference between ranking at the first and ranking on the fourth and beyond, or the second and beyond, really. Because the first position, it usually takes like between 25 to 35% of the traffic. So basically what you want to do is that you want to identify what are those bio intent keywords so that you can sprinkle your front page with those bio intent keywords. Then once you have done that and you are ranking and being found for those keywords, then you need to start, and actually you can do this before, but build a backlink profile so that you can outrank your competitor and be able to rank at the top, because this will maximize the number of times that your website will be in front of potential customers. And then a percentage of those will actually reach out to you, and then depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert them into new customers. And this is how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I hope that you like the video. Please feel free to use this information, and please don't forget to give me feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.